Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn about resources, what they are, and how you can interact with them. You can discover many different types of resources in the lab. They may take the form of images, such as artifacts, photographs, and artwork, texts, such as letters and books, video and audio recordings, websites, and more. Resources in the lab may come from the Smithsonian's museums and centers or be uploaded by Learning Lab users. Here's an example of a resource. Every resource in the lab looks a little like this. You'll often have a high resolution image that you can zoom into using the tools in the lower left to see detail. You can also interact with the resource in a variety of ways. The buttons on the left and the bottom of the screen will help you do so. One of the most important buttons is the information button, which looks like an eye in the center of a circle and is located toward the top of the screen. Clicking this button will show you authoritative information about the resource from the Smithsonian Museum or Center that holds the resource or the user who uploaded it. This will often include information like the date it was created, who created it, alongside descriptive information that explains the cultural or historical significance of the resource. Other important buttons include the Add to Collection button, which looks like a stack of rectangles with a plus sign on top. This button allows you to create a new interactive learning activity called a collection from the resource, or add the resource to a collection you've already created while logged into your free Learning Lab account. The Favorite button, which looks like a heart, will allow you to save a resource while logged into your free Learning Lab account. And the Cite button, which looks like quotation marks, will allow you to generate a citation in MLA, APA, or Chicago format. Hover over any of the buttons to learn more about what they do. Want to begin searching for and discovering resources? Use the search bar, which is located at the top of every page on the lab. You can learn more about searching in the video linked in this video's description.